So I've been messing around with pallets recently and I decided to try my hand at making a tiny house. And here it is, a tiny house. So let's have a look inside this tiny house. It's all made of 3 pallet wood. It's a nice slatted roof. It's got a window. It's on a base. On this side, nice doorway. And we can have a little look inside. And the good thing about the house is it's modular. So if you can see up there, that roof part there actually comes off, and so does the other bit that side. So the roof kind of like goes like that and lifts off. It's framed, which means I don't have to take off these slats if we want to move the house. I can just take off the whole frame of the roof. It's modular, so there's 6 sides to the whole thing and the base. Hi Rubes! And there, so my son loves it in his tiny house. Yay! Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video about my tiny house. If you'd like to know how I made the tiny house or about pallets in any way, let me know in the comments below. Well, thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!